It's 9 o'clock na. Hello mga ka-char. Today is my first day back to school. But there are no students yet. So they will be there on Friday, January 31st. And today is Lavinia's first 7:45 schedule. So yeah, we're trying to be early today, right? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give you more updates later. So again, time check, it's 7:40. And I'm gonna take Lavinia to her candy.
A few moments later.
So, ayan na nga. Tapos na natin ihatid si Lavinia sa kanyang preschool. Then, we're going to my work. So, it took me 5 minutes to drive here. I'm finally back to school. First day back to school with Porek, of course. Chur. Where are we going? Are we going this way?
I'm gonna go back to the car.
Why?
To get my shades.
That got demolished.
Yeah.
I mean,
A big one.
so we had
Oh,
to
yeah, jump out.
And we have a new TV! Amazing! It's 10 o'clock na. So, ito na nga. Nag-end na yung araw ko. Kakauwi ko lang 3:45 p.m. So, bakit umuwi na kami finally after we had our Waiata practice. Waiata is yung mga songs. And anyway, it was a very tiring first day. So, after the Powhiri or Powhiri, it's a welcome thing that all the schools here in Whakatane, Awakiri, Trident schools were all together to welcome all staff members and educators. So, yun lang. That is day 1. Then we had meetings and meetings and meetings. We also had free lunch. So yeah, that's my day for today. So honestly, in our department, it's not too strict, but if we could add something to make our rooms more beautiful, why not? And I'll try to make something to make it more beautiful.
You'll just use what is here.
And today we are gonna try out these fire extinguishers. Safety first. Julia's here. Ready. Arden too. And everyone else.
This was great having this amount of wood to show you. Pretty much halfway there. Now, hold the pin. Test it downward something. Down, right?
Woohoo!
Get a little bit of distance in it, so that tells you A, we've got products, B, it is firing out the nozzle, and C, we've got a little bit of distance. And then swing. Aim to the left and then swing.
Okay, we'll have Julia this time. Sorry.
So that twisting action broke the tag.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Closer. Now, if you have to get close to a fire, where does it go? It goes up. So where do you go?
Down. Yeah. Woohoo!
I didn't realise they were probably carry on.
Oh, this one is
This
special.
is one of the schools. Yeah. But it doesn't. See that little hole there? It's supposed to have a cord to it. So you don't actually have to do anything. We're going to find out if this tag one is like works or not.
Go, Jim.
Yeah! Go, Jim! Yes! Woohoo! How do I use this? Twist it, right? Twist it, right?
Yeah, twist it open.
Ah!
First twist it.
And Don't fire Arden! Arden, I just wanted to
That's
try.
alright, I'll give you a great review at work. Don't look at it yet.
And then you side twist.
And then aim up on it.
Aim
Aim
up.
up over here.
Here.
To the side and then break. Yep, start it and then start it off. Yeah. Well, don't keep looking at the side. Yeah, nice.
Okay. Yes, I'm a bad student.
So that one is different colour.
Whoa.
That's got a good sound. I like the sound of that one. Getting close. I think that's the other one. You and I haven't done that.
And we are gonna do it.
Are we? What are we going to do?
Fire extinguisher.
Can't you just switch the things? No, you can't.
I wanna try too.
Hey, can you hold that one? Ghostbusters! Get it!
Thank you.
Super useful. Here's a thanks for
Go. You too. Go, guys.
Hose.
Push.
Holes.
No.
Bolts and holes.
Oh, this is so fun. Go. Everybody's done. Kia ora. And this is day 3 here at school with no students. Tomorrow is the official day 1. And yeah. Today is Powhiri. It's a welcoming ceremony for from Māori. Yes. So we are going to have our first Powhiri. This is our first time doing the Powhiri welcome ceremony. That ends my day 3.